Okay, so it is now 8 o'clock. So it is 15 minutes into the second half. Now the doorbell is going to chime, and this is where the second group of princesses comes in for the last hour. Everyone shrieks again. Oh my gosh, it's Santa! We just like say to each other, we're always, every time the doorbell rings, do you think it's Santa? Oh my gosh, it could be Santa. Okay, come in, you know, whatever. I'm not going to answer the door. I don't think I can do that. So we're just going to say, come in, come in. And then it's going to be all the second group of princesses, which is a ton of them. And they're going to run up to the stage and they're going to be carrying presents. Everyone that's coming in is going to be apologizing profusely for being late. Just vocally over top of each other. Oh my gosh, we're so sorry. It was crazy. We won't even believe what happened. Just like chaos. And then I'm going to calm everybody down. Like, wait, okay, one person at a time. What's happening? So we all go to the stage. Everybody sits around the edges of the stage. So at this point, we're not going to have enough seats, ottomans for everyone. So some of the princesses are really literally going to have to sit very low on the sides of the stage. I'm hoping we can do that. If I get there and it's really weird looking, then maybe not, but hopefully. So then they have their gifts. They bring in their gifts. Now, girls in the second group, your gifts are going to be used as displays at the front door. So when you get there, somebody will be in charge to give them to you. So don't worry about that, but do worry about having the correct one. You need the one that's from you. And then some of you will have an additional one for a princess that's not going to be there because it's part of the 12 days of Christmas. So, so at this point, a handheld mic goes to Jasmine, Allie. And Jasmine, I want you to say, I'm going to say, what happened? What happened? Wait, just Jasmine, tell me what happened. And then you get the microphone and you say, well, Cinderella told us that she was going to send her carriage there to pick us up. And halfway there, it turned into a pumpkin. So we had to end up calling an Uber. Just like exhausted, like you guys have just been through it all. And then of course everyone's going to think that that's really funny. And then Jasmine, hand that mic to Merida. So Leah, then you say, or Cinderella, you're just like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. You don't have a microphone, but just be like, oh, I had no idea. I'm so sorry. And then I'm going to say, well, I'm just like super glad that you guys made it. Anyway, thank you for coming, for still showing up. You missed a lot of fun, but Santa didn't come, so you didn't miss that. And then Merida says, that's okay, Elsa. We brought you a whole bunch of presents. So, and I say, oh, that's awesome. Whatever, I need to learn this. I say, Merida says, it's okay that Santa didn't come because we brought you presents anyway. So you want to open them? And I'm going to say, oh my gosh, I can open them now? Yeah, let's open them. That'd be so much fun. Okay, so at this point, oh my God, I look like awful. At this point, I am going to open them one at a time. So just pay attention to your number. You're going to know it's labeled on the top of the box on a little small thing. You're going to know what number you are, and how it's going to go is I am going to open the gift. Each gift has a card on the top that's taped to it, and it's got a poem on the inside. The poem explains what the gift is and why it's funny. So there's certain ones that I know I'm either going to open them first and then read the card, or read the card and then open them. So like Belle's is like a chipped up tea set, and she says that it's 2 from her collection in case I don't want to do any housework. They're really good at doing housework, yada yada. These things all rhyme, so it's actually very cute. And the main one, the first one, is Rapunzel was bringing a ladder, which is going to be huge, but it's in a ladder to set myself free. And it's like, if I ever get stuck in a tower, Rapunzel got me a ladder so that I can get out of the tower. That kind of thing. But I'm going to open it and I'm going to sing the first line instead of doing the whole song at once, because that's going to be long at the end. So I'm going to open Rapunzel's and then I'm going to say, okay, on the first day of Christmas, Rapunzel gave to me a ladder to set myself free. Okay, who's next? Next present. And then it's going to be Mulan. And Mulan's giving me 2 kung fu lessons. So then I sing, read her story, and I would thank her. And then I say, on the second day of Christmas, Mulan gave to me 2 kung fu lessons and a ladder to set myself free. All the way up until 12. So then the music plays. And it's very short. It's only like 30 seconds because it's just from 12 down. It's not the rest of them. So the main thing that I need you guys to do when I'm singing it each time is to hold your gift up. Not the box, the actual prop that's inside it. Because if you don't, I'm gonna forget who's what's what, because the words are very complicated. Like it's like 10 leaf blowers, 9 portable heaters, 8 chipped up tea sets, 5 single shoes, 4 something something, 3 kung fu lessons, 2 something something. So it's going to be hard to remember if I can't visually see. So just know your number and kind of prompt me on your time when your thing comes up. And the last one is very fast, so just be sure you're on it. And then after that, let's see if I can play that. I don't think it's on here yet, though. Oh, yeah, it is. Except I don't know the words yet. On the 12th day of Christmas, Tinker gave to me 12 tiny tool sets, 11 leaf blowers, 8... Or oh, God, whatever. 5 single shoes, 4 portable heaters, 2 kung fu lessons, and a ladder to set myself free. Yeah, so that's just the music to that. I have to learn that song, obviously. And then I'm going to thank everybody for your presents. And then that's kind of long. So then the doorbell chimes. And, well, here is one thing I should tell you guys. I'm kind of estimating, because we're not having a big rehearsal, how long this stuff is going to take. So if it is 8 o'clock by that point, then Santa is going to arrive. If we're still need a little, we need to fill some space, I'm going to do my Elsa snow magic trick. So I'm going to have it preset to do it. It's just going to be hard to do for such a large group of people. So I'm cutting it out unless I absolutely have to do it to fill the space. So there might be a little change at that point, but it's completely up to if it's 8 o'clock already. We're going to go with now that it's 8 o'clock. So, oh wait, what am I saying? I'm looking at the wrong thing. Not 8 o'clock, 8:30. Sorry, 8:30. So the ho 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 comes from Santa. No doorbell for this. We're just going to hear jingle bells instead of a doorbell. And we're going to all freak out one more time. Like, oh, do you guys hear that? Doesn't that sound like Santa? Do you think it could be Santa? And then, ho ho ho, Santa's going to be there. He's going to come in the door. So, next video.